Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Silver can really teach us a lot of lessons in life. Variety is the spice of life, they say. And there is a lot of variety in silver stacking for sure. Different types, such as you see before you here. You have a pressed or stamped or minted bar and one of the poured variety. They're both actually the same weight. As you can see there, this is a nice little chunky 1 ounce poured bar. Very, very nice there. And then this is the Struck Engelhard bar, classic vintage. They even have different, patinas to them. It's kind of wild, but the same thing can be said about the price. There's a lot of variety in the price of silver, and we're seeing dramatic and drastic premiums and wild fluctuations in the price of silver in the last couple of years. It has been an up and hill down battle for sure. It's going to be, understanding of where the price moves as new silver stackers, or even as those of us who've been stacking for a while. It can be frustrating. It sure can. With these wild moves and these crazy premiums. And there's a level of risk involved too when you're talking about high premiums that may or may not stick. Because sometimes when the price goes way up, then you got to look at it and look through the lens when it goes way down and understand that through that lens and the price direction and movements to the downside, it's still silver. Still is the same metal. And as long as you hold on to it and don't sell at times when the price goes way down, you will be well grounded. Yes, that is an intended pun. Well placed by Dramatic and a lot of insight and knowledge. No, but anyways, you got to have fun with your silver too. That's the other aspect I want to share in this video. Enjoy it. And sometimes whenever you do buy a certain amount of silver, you kind of stack it away and forget about it. Take it out and look at it every once in a while. Sometimes that's all you can do is just look at it. And that's what it's all about. Take your silver, enjoy it, and especially for those times where you can't afford to buy a certain amount of silver. And sometimes it's good just to take a step back and fondle your silver and enjoy it out in the sunlight. Yes, indeed, just as I'm doing here. One thing is for sure, as you progress in your stacking journey of this metal, you are going to find that you're going to probably shift a bit from being a pure hardcore stacker that just packing away weight to get a little bit of different variety. And you can do variety and still be a stacker with the very little premiums if you do it in a smart way. So there you have it. I hope you found this video insightful. As you continue along in your stacking journey, hold on to your gold and silver and press on with your gold and silver. And in this case, look at your silver and enjoy it, hold it in your hand, and admire it for the beauty that it is. But be well grounded as well too, and be realistic. If you are realistic about silver and what it does, what it has done for thousands of years, and that is to preserve your wealth over the long course of time, utilizing smart dollar cost averaging, you will be fine. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.